Welcome back to Tron Digital Learning Station ICSE Prudence Coaching. Hello students, here we are with an authentic speech on World Environment Day. This speech will not only ensure your best performance, rather it will take you closer one step ahead in ensuring your sustainable future. So let's start the speech. A very good morning to our highly esteemed chief guest, Mrs. Sudha Murthy, venerated educationist and philanthropist, Honorable Chairman Sir, Mr. Ashok Bajoria, respected Principal Sir, Mr. Akhilesh Chatterjee, all my dear colleagues, respected parents and dear students. World Environment Day is one of the prominent international days for the environment, led by the United Nations Environmental Programme and held annually since 1973. It has grown to be the largest global platform for the environmental outreach. It is celebrated by millions of people across the world. As we gather here today to observe World Environment Day, we are faced with an imperative that transcends borders, ideologies, and personal agendas. Our planet, our shared home, stands at a crossroads where the choice we make today will shape the world for the generations to come. In this age of unprecedented technological advancement and interconnectedness, we find ourselves grappling with the consequences of our actions on the natural world. Climate change, pollution, habitat destruction, and species loss threaten the delicate balance of ecosystems on which all life depends. Yet, amidst these challenges lies an opportunity to unite in our commitment to environmental stewardship, to harness the power of innovation and cooperation, and to forge a path towards a more sustainable future. On this World Environment Day, let us reflect on the interconnectedness of all living things and the profound impact of our choices on the world around us. Let us acknowledge the urgency of the moment and the responsibility we bear to safeguard the planet for future generations. The Kingdom of Saudi Arabia will host World Environment Day this year, with a focus on land restoration, desertification, and drought resilience. Land restoration is a key pillar of the United Nations Decade on Ecosystem Restoration from 2021 to 2030, a rallying call for the protection and revival of ecosystems all around the world, which is critical to achieve the sustainable development goals. As individuals, as communities, as nations, we must rise to the challenge before us. We must embrace sustainable practices, advocate for policies that protect our environment, and strive to live in harmony with nature. Therefore, we must seize this moment as an opportunity for collective action, as a catalyst for positive change. Let us work together to build a world where the air is clean, the waters are pure, and the land is teeming with life. Let's ignite our souls with this clarion call and the rejuvenating appeal to the humanity that will lead us to take the vow of saving our Mother Nature from the catastrophic consequences of global warming. Thank you. Dear students, if you find this content helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe, share, and like this content. Your one like will cost nothing, but it will motivate us to provide you more helpful content like this. Thanks for watching, students. Have a nice day.